What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vid. You join me today, just heading over to a friend's to work on a BMW Z4, one of an earlier sort of M Sport examples with a 4-cylinder engine in. Basically they've got an issue with the Valvetronic Servo motor, causing engine light, rough running and misfire. So let's get over there and diagnose it. I do already have a motor just in case, so yeah, let's see if we can sort that today. Enjoy guys. Alright, so we just pulled the codes up here, you can see here Valvetronic adaptation, and we're also going to do the oil temperature sensor as well, and I'll show that in a separate video. I'll split it up, and yeah, this should fix that issue. We'll run through them. Just to show you here, that's on an N46 engine, so that'll be a 4-cylinder. Just taking the rocker cover off and the strut brace on that side. The servo motor is located on the driver's side or passenger side if you're in Europe or America. And yep, we'll do that first, and then we'll pan around and show you the servo motor itself. So servo motor, you can see it, it's just the lump on where my finger's pointing there, just underneath there. That's what we need to get to. So we'll just take that off as well, and then you'll be able to see it. Common symptoms include rough running, poor starting, EML light, and I'll make sure I put the description of the code in the video so you can sort of compare yours, so you can know what to look for. So just to let you know, so the strut braces are 16. Are they E?
Nah,
they just bolts, yeah. So just 16mm standard nuts, and then
6 point.
You've got the 10mm for the actual covers themselves. Right, so you just see us take off the cover for the servo Valvetronic servo motor. Just make sure you put the oil cap back on, stop any debris going in there, and then once you've done that, you can then access to the servo motor. I'll just scoot round here, and you can see directly in shot there. That's what we're going to be replacing today. Right, we're just taking off any electrical connections, core packs need to be taken out. The actual connectors, not the actual core packs, but and really you just got to pull everything off that's in the way. Just make sure you know which orientation the core packs are in. Mark them if you need to.
This is just held in with a clip, but we'll make sure we undo the earth wires here and here.
Okay, yeah, we need to get to them.
And obviously,
yeah, exactly,
the actual motor itself. 10mm as well. These are very small. Wouldn't recommend dropping them.
Magnet is needed, just in case. So you just need to go around and take each bolt off, so uncrack all of them. Everyone you can see here, basically. They're 10 mils, aren't they, Johnny, again?
Yeah, 10
yeah,
mil.
10 mil, yeah.
This one at the back here has got a little stud on top of it.
Okay. So just take note of that. In the top left-hand corner is a stud. There's a separate bolt, isn't it, underneath there? That you got to undo. The stud itself, haven't you? Yeah.
There isn't actually anything on there. Sometimes there's an earth, sometimes there isn't.
Let's keep an eye out for that. Yeah. We're just wiggling off the housing now. They're captive nuts, but just make sure that you keep an eye on them because they can pop out, as we're seeing here.
They are different sizes in different places as well.
Obviously you've got your servo motor here, which is on your camshaft here on its own cog, and obviously it rotates to adjust the timing. Just make sure the orientation is correct when you put it back on. Plug is on top, and recommend replacing with a genuine one, just because you don't want to have to take it all out again if it doesn't work.
There's a 10 mil.
So 10 mil nuts on the top here. Just make sure they're unbolted, and the whole thing will drop this way out. So this particular engine has had a new gasket, you can see here, but we're just putting some gasket and sealer on just in case. As you know, we are disturbing the gasket. It's probably recommended that you do replace the gasket each time you do this, just for, you know, reducing any chances of oil leakage. You know, it does pay to check your guides out and the chain up top when you're here.
How would you do that?
And for any visual inspection on all the components. obviously all back together now. It's before you put the covers back on, probably the best bet to run the engine up first, and we'll check it on IMPA and see what fault codes come back. We'll clear them first, and then obviously you can put the brace back on and the covers if successful. Just make sure you clean up any oil, because it can obviously drip down the sides, which we just found earlier on. And yeah, we'll crack on and do that now. That's what I mean, hopefully now timing to it. Right, so we're just checking it over now, making sure there's no leaks on that gasket, and also just making sure the engine is running okay. We'll go around to the actual car itself and we'll just check to see if there's any engine lights, which looks to me like we're okay. That's good, so it's cool. And what we do is we'll just run IMPA in a second, and then we'll clear any codes. So there you go guys, we cleared the codes, reset the adaptations using IMPA. The model's quite old, so it may not work on ISTA. I haven't tried, but yeah, all okay now, running good. So we'll just keep an eye on that, and obviously fingers crossed it's not anything electrical. And yeah, obviously if you like what you see today, give us a comment, give us a subscribe, and yeah, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.